I get those goosebumps every time. I need the Heimlich, throw that to the side.
So hi everyone, today I am going to be teaching you how to make tie-dye shirts, and I'm here with my sister. Hi. So this tie-dye mini kit, I got the mini because we might not even use all of them. I only wanted like one of these colors to make the tie-dye shirt. So it comes with 10 colors and I got it at Hobby Lobby. You're also gonna want
a gloves because you do not want to stain your hands.
Yeah, so the kit comes with gloves, the tie,
and rubber bands.
Plain t-shirt.
Like that?
Yeah, you're doing a good job.
And then if there's extra sticking out, you're just gonna go like that.
Essentially, you just wanted to make it look like
a Cinnabon roll.
A Cinnabon roll, so that's the best thing I could do. Sometimes people do it perfect, or you could just scrunch it up and just make it into whatever you want to.
So that's how it turned out.
It's kind of ugly, but it's okay.
Next step,
to put on your damn gloves.
Put on your gloves.
It has instructions of where to fill it up to. So I filled it up a little bit too much. Oh god, there's a hoe as bee. Okay, never mind. It left. I think I heard you call it a hoe.
Oh no, it's back.
Where?
Okay,
never mind. So we finished filling up the bottles that we're gonna use. So we have purple, blue, and pink. So now, yeah.
You're gonna need trash bags.
So we're gonna start inking up our shits. We're gonna move the camera.
This is my shirt. See mine?
Yeah.
So which one's gonna say? I was gonna use purple and blue.
Purple and blue.
Blue.
My t-shirt looks pretty good. Right areas that I see that are
Oh, that's all. Now you're just gonna, the t-shirt is gonna soak up the paint.
it is. The dye, you mean?
Hey guys, do y'all notice anything different? It's my hair. I got a trim, yeah. So this is a result video how my tie-dye shirt came out. I'm doing a voiceover because my dad is loud. So yeah, just like the way my shirt turned out. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye.